How's it going, everyone? I'm Jason for WTI, and today I'm going to tell you about a product that I've been using for years for painting doors and trim, and that's the Stak Rack system. Now, this system will allow you to paint doors and stack them on top of each other, saving you space, time, and money. Let me show you how it works and why I like it so much. The Stak Rack system attaches with a screw at the bottom and top of the doors in all four corners. Now, once they are secured, you are now ready to paint both sides of the door. When you got one side completed, Stak Racks simply allows you to flip it over, and now you're ready to paint the other side. The unique design of the racks allows you to stack your doors as you go, saving you valuable floor space. Now, if you're a contractor, you can see quite simply that by using Stak Racks, you can cut your time in half on your door painting projects, giving you more time to focus on more important things. Stak Racks can also be used to prop doors on edge to prep for hinge placements, and that works really well. Here I also use that same method to spray heavy solid core doors on their side to prevent them from bowing while they dry. Well, alrighty, there you have it. If you're looking to save time, save space, and save money, Stak Racks is definitely the way to go when it comes to spraying doors or even trim. But in this case with doors, I've been using it for years. Like I said, I love the way that it allows me to stack multiple panels on top of each other. I can spray both sides, get both of them done, and now I'm saving time, I'm saving money, and that to me is worth everything. So if you're looking for something like this, I'd highly recommend Stak Racks. Give it a try. I know you won't be disappointed. That's my point of view.